If you are a YouTuber with 10 or more thousand subscribers, this and the next 13 days can be your lucky days. This is because, as a popular email marketing company's partner, I offer an 100% free service for 14 days. Here is also my YouTube channel where you can get more information about the service I'm going to offer you for free. But there is too much information here and you are going to get confused. The best thing about email marketing is also that you can scale and profit a lot. Because if you gather thousands or even tens of thousands of email addresses and then you just compose an email with a coupon, for example, for your products or services, different other discounts at certain dates, and of course, new launches or affiliate offers, then you are going to make a lot of money just by composing 3, 4 emails and send them to your audience. If you click the link down in the description of this video, or perhaps if you see a button on this video right now and you can click it, you will see this page right here, which has an introduction video and then reviews from my clients. Then click any of those green buttons. You will see my 100% free email marketing course, where on the part one, I show you how you can buy a domain name if you don't have one and set up correctly your professional email account. On the part two of the training, you will see how you can set up your email marketing system by yourself and sign up 100% free of charge for 14 days to my favorite email marketing company.